We're at Xtreme Trampoline Canada, and I'm a court monitor here.
Robots are cool.
Robots are a great help to our facilities.
Robots are amazing.
We have a couple. We have one that goes around and disinfects the air. We have one that goes and sings happy birthdays to our different parties and like helps deliver food. We also have the vacuum one.
We spend a lot of time vacuuming. It's like a big building, and that just means less work for us.
I like it. I named it Freddy. We're pretty good pals.
A lot of the little kids like love it. They find it so cool.
They all run up to it and start like trying to touch it, and we're like, no, like don't.
I'm sometimes excited about it because it's pretty sick to work with robots. But yeah, kids definitely do get excited about it and like curious. And I see a lot of faces like light up.
I think it's cool. I think that it's very easy to just click a button and it goes around and just cleans the entire place for you. So I think that's very efficient to have.
We have little stickers that the kids wear for jump times, so it just navigates the children when they're near them. It'll just go right around them.
I see people selfie with it all the time. If you go under Xtreme Trampoline hashtag, there's a couple photos of the robot.
I think they're pretty cool.